Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Satomi, and today's video is going to be how to get motivated to clean and organize your home, or anything for that matter, your car, your school classroom, your garage, whatever it is. How do we get motivated to organize and clean? I'm going to share 7 tips that hopefully will help you to motivate yourself to organize and clean whenever you need to get anything done. Now, most people don't get excited to clean or organize anything. Some people do, but I don't. Believe it or not, I actually really love the outcome of an organized home. I love the aftermath. But the process of cleaning, I don't like cleaning. I do enjoy organizing because I'm a little OCD in that way, and so I like to see things start to finish. I want to see things messy or disorganized and watch myself be able to put it all in place, and then the end product is really what is satisfying to me. And that end product is satisfying enough for me to go through the process of organizing. I find that I might not want to start, but once I do get started and I get into that flow, I do end up finding some enjoyment in the process. But ultimately, the joy comes at the end product, which is an organized cabinet or an organized bedroom or an organized closet, whatever it may be. The key for me and for anybody is that to get motivated, that is something that you have to do on purpose. Motivation does not just fall on our laps. We have to, on purpose, find motivation to get the things done that we want to get done. So I'm going to share with you 7 tips that I use to help me get motivated to clean and organize anything, anytime, any day. So tip number 1 is watch a YouTube video on organizing and cleaning, or listen to a podcast about cleaning and about organizing. There's something so motivating about watching someone actually doing what it is that you need to get done. Or if you're listening to a podcast and you're hearing them talk about, okay, now I'm cleaning out this drawer, or now I'm gonna go and clean the bathrooms. Here's the steps that I use or that I take in order to get this bathroom clean. Something about watching or hearing somebody doing the very thing that you need to get done gives you some motivation, gives you some inspiration. You're seeing somebody else do it too, and it just sort of helps you to get into that mode of I need to clean, I need to organize. That is exactly why I make these videos, because I know how much it helps me when I watch a video, and my hope is that my videos will motivate you to clean that kitchen drawer out, or clean out that closet, or organize that bathroom, whatever it is that you need to get done. My second tip would be to start somewhere small, especially if you're somebody that your entire house needs organizing, or you have a huge project like a garage or something big and massive. It's really difficult to look at something that's incredibly huge, a huge project, and know where to begin, especially if organizing and cleaning is not something that you are particularly good at or do often. When a project is too big, you need to take little baby bites to help inspire you and to show you that you can do it. I'll give you an example. Have you ever cleaned out one drawer? Or maybe you cleaned out maybe an office desk, or your towels, or something, just a small area. Maybe you open your kitchen dishes and you cleaned it out and you organized it. What do you do once you're done? If you're anything like me, you go back and you look at it and you stand there in awe, right? You look at this wonderful thing that you just did and you are drawn to that space. Why? Not only is it because it's clean and organized, but it's much more functional, much more practical, but it also gives you a sense of accomplishment. You feel good about that area, that space, but you also feel good about yourself. That sense of accomplishment and satisfaction will motivate you to move from that small area to the next small area. And over time, you're conquering a big project one little bite at a time. My third tip would be set a timer for 30 minutes. When it comes to looking for motivation to do anything, a timer is your best friend. Pick an area that you need to clean and organize, set a timer for 30 minutes, and just go at it. Full force. You know that the time is going to be up in such a short period of time that you are so laser focused and you're so much more productive in getting whatever it is that you need done because you know that there's an end time. There's something psychologically helpful when you know that you have to do something only for a certain amount of time. When you know there's an end, it's easier to begin. I personally use a timer for almost everything that I do. You know, anything that I really don't want to do or something that I need to feel motivated to do, because the timer, knowing it's going to end, I feel like, okay, I could crank something out for this amount of time. I'll set a timer for 15 minutes when it's time for me to pay my bills. And during that 15 minutes, I don't look at my phone. I don't have conversations with someone in my family. I don't do anything else. I just laser focus 15 minutes to get that one little project done. Then I'll set a timer for 30 minutes to clean the kitchen. And I say to myself, if I don't get everything done in that 30 minutes, it's okay. I could come back to it later. But you'd be surprised how much you could get done in 30 minutes. I end up cleaning my entire kitchen and I have time to spare. Whenever I set a timer, I usually get whatever the job is done before the timer goes off. Using a timer also shows us how much we really can get done in a short period of time and how much we waste our time throughout the day. I don't know about you, but I can waste so much time if I don't use a timer and focus myself on getting something done. A timer is one of my best motivations. It's one of my greatest secrets to actually getting a lot more done than I think I can. Tip number 4 would be to listen to music or listen to a podcast while you're cleaning. There's something really great about taking your mind off of whatever it is you're doing. I know people who listen to crime story podcasts. I personally like listening either to music or I'll listen to other cleaning podcasts, but it just sort of helps to remove you from what it is that you're doing and you're entertaining yourself while you're actually getting something done. It just makes whatever you're doing more enjoyable. My 5th tip would be to have all of your cleaning supplies easily accessible. So for me, in our house, under every sink, whether it's a kitchen sink or a bathroom sink, I have a little bucket that fits nicely under the sink, and I have everything that I'm gonna need in every single space. So I don't have to, when I'm in this bathroom and see that I need to wipe down the counters, run over to that bathroom and get the cleaner. No, every single bathroom and my kitchen has underneath it all of my cleaning products. I have my Clorox wipes, I have my all-purpose spray, I have my microfiber cloths, and then if it's depending on what room it is, like if it's the bathroom, I have my Clorox, for deeper cleaning, or if it's the kitchen, I have whatever it is that I need there. But every single sink has a space underneath where I keep all of the products that I'm gonna need to clean, which makes it super easy. And when something is easy, you'll do it. The easier you can make the process, the more likely and more often you'll actually do it. Tip number 6 would be invite people over. Oh my gosh, this is the biggest motivator. Nothing motivates you to clean your house more than knowing you have people coming over. This is the one universal time that we all get up and clean, or at least we all should. And if nothing else works, this is my last and final tip, number 7. Just grab a trash bag and go around your house and throw 10 things away. This is so simple. If you really just cannot get yourself motivated to clean and nothing is working for you, then just say, okay, All I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna pick up a trash bag and I'm gonna walk through my house and I'm gonna throw 10 things away. Just the sheer act of moving and looking through things and doing something will either motivate you when you're done to continue on and do something else, or if it doesn't, then you at least got rid of 10 things in your house that you don't need that would have been there had you not done that one simple thing. Most of the time, all the motivation that you need is to just get up and get moving. So those are my 7 tips on how to get motivated to clean and organize your space. Let me know in the comments section below what tip is most helpful for you, maybe that you haven't thought of yourself, or if you have a tip that I didn't mention, then please share it with me in the comments and let me know what helps to motivate you to get your cleaning and your organizing done. You know, we are at a time in our lives where this is the perfect time to start decluttering your house, to start organizing small spaces around your house. There's never been a time where we are forced to stay home and be at home. It's not the most ideal situation, but we could turn this bad situation into something good for us personally. So I just want to encourage you to not waste time. Use the time that you have at home and get into something. Get a project done that you've been waiting to do or that you've been procrastinating and holding off on. Trust me, I am a grade A procrastinator. I completely understand. That's why I have to find ways to motivate myself. And I'm telling you, these are the things that I do to motivate myself. But don't let this time go by where we're stuck at home end up being a regret for you later. Don't look back and say, gosh, I should have cleaned out my closet or I should have started on my garage. Don't let that happen to you. Just take the time and maybe just take little baby steps. But when this is all said and done and it's over, I want you to be able to look back on this time and say, look at how much I got done. I feel great. I'm so proud of myself. And honestly, that's what I'm trying to do for myself as well. So we're all in this together. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider giving it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any other videos, and make sure you hit the bell so you get notifications when I put up a video. Hope you guys are all doing well and life is treating you kind, and I will see you in my next video.